Today's video, we are going to be solving a system of equations using substitution for the third level. So before a system of equations is two equations with two unknown variables, x and y. And normally in these types of problems, you have one of the variables isolated so that you can plug it in. Substitute means to plug it in and take the variable out of the in order to solve and isolate for one variable. So in this equation, the isolated variable is this y. Y equals 2x minus 10. So what you're going to do is, with this problem, you're going to substitute it into y of the other problem. Now, remember, whenever we do substitution, we have to put it in parentheses. So I wrote it down on my separate paper here. I'm going to take this and substitute it into y up there. So we have 3x plus 10 times 2x plus 10 in parentheses. Make sure you put parentheses around them, equals 31. Now remember, whenever I have parentheses, I distribute. So you have 20x plus 100. Let me bring everything else down. Forgot my line. From here, we combine my like terms, 3x and 20x. Whoa, did not want that. There we go, which is 23x. Plus 100 equals 31. And then it becomes a two-step equation that I can solve, just like we've done numerous times before. So we have 23x is negative 69. Yep. Divide both sides by 23. And you get x is I'm gonna zoom out. X is, keep zooming out here, negative 3. So I plug that in for my x here. And my y. So again, just like we did before, you go back. I would plug it into the isolated one. It makes it a lot easier. You can just do it in your calculator. If you get stuck, you have 2 times negative 3 plus 10. 2 parentheses negative 3 and parentheses plus 10 is 4. So I'm just going to write over here, my y is 4. So you have x is negative 3, y is 4. That should work. Oop, no, 4. And there we go. Let's look at another one. Let's have one with more negatives in it and maybe with an x isolated. No. Let's see. Sorry, it's taking longer for me to find a problem that I like. All right, let's look at this one. Clear my page here. $200. And we write down our problem. 2x minus 3y is 20. The other one is x equals negative 2y plus 3. Again, in this case, the x is isolated. So for this one, I'm plugging in for x as opposed to the last one where I plugged in for y. So I plug that into the top equation. So I get 2 times negative 2y plus 30 minus 3y is 20. Lots of steps here. Distribute. Boom, boom. So you get negative 4y plus 60. Bring everything else down. Minus 3y. I don't need that. Equals 20. Now, again, combine like terms. Negative 4y and negative 3y is negative 7y. Bring down the plus 60 is 20. Did I mess up? Oh, I did. I didn't mean to put plus 30. This is what I get for writing down the wrong problem. So again, my mistake, you need to kind of be aware of to it. And then 2y plus 3. I just had to fix that here, here, and here. Just basically eliminate the zeros. So it wasn't too big of a mistake. All right. Now we minus 6 from both sides. And we get negative 7y is 14. Divide both sides by negative 7. And we get y is negative 2. Plug it back in. I'm going to plug it into, again, the isolated variable. This one right here. You have x equals negative 2 times negative 2. Or you could just do in the calculator. Boom, right here. Negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2, parentheses, negative 2, just plus 3. Just save the busy work for this, which equals 7. So my x is going to equal 7. So my answer is 7, negative 2. 7, negative 2. There we go. And we're done. All right. So a little only differences with these problems is that you have to substitute the whole expression into the other one and make sure you distribute, combine like terms, and then solve the two-step equation. So that's it for these problems. Show your work on separate paper. And if you have questions, let me know. Good luck and thank you for watching.